What it do, YouTube? Coming straight at you, 866666. This is a quick video. What we doing today is clay bar. Everybody should clay bar their vehicles. Nobody's excluded because all these cars are in the elements of, the earth or whatever, the weather. Anyways, I bought this car a couple months ago, never clay barred it. Thought this would be a great video to show you guys about clay bar. Now, what is clay bar? You probably heard about it. It basically is this little ball right here. It's kind of clay, doughy, pliable, but you rub it on your car and it actually removes, cleans oxidation out of the clear coat, which protects your clear coat and wax to prolong, your vehicle's clear coat. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, so basically you need a clean car, and this clay bar right here is Meguiar's. It comes in this little storage box. You see there's another one in there. The things you'll need. Here goes Meguiar's detailing spray, and of course a towel. When you buy the kit, it's like 20 bucks. Comes with this, and even a rag is in the box. Now this clay bar will last you years, and I still have another piece for some more years, so it's definitely a good investment for $20. It is tedious work though. I mean, to do your car takes a good while, and shops usually charge $100 to clay bar your car because you do every inch of your car. For me, I do it in sections and I stretch it out over a course of days. You don't have to do it all at once unless you're lonely as, one Sunday with some beers and dive into it. But the parts of your car that gets impacted the most is the roof, the hood, anything with the horizontal surface, because that's where the sun and the elements kind of sit on and bake down on it the most. And to tell if a car needs clay bar, you just rub your hands on it, and if you hear like a nice whisk sound, like and it feels rough to the touch, it probably needs clay. Or if you ain't never done it, it needs clay bar. I say clay bar your car about once or twice a year, something like that, every 6 months, and it'll keep it baby back smooth. I mean, the towel would just like flop like right off the car. So what you want to do is you want to get your car washed first. And to show you that I'm working with a clean car, because you're going to be amazed at what this do. So let me show you. So right now we're going to work on this area right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it first. Like so. I don't know if you guys can quite hear that, but it's pretty rough. All right. Now to show you that the car is clean, I got a napkin right here. Napkin is clean Super clean. Flip the other side. So the car is freshly washed, freshly cleaned. You watching me do all this. So we're gonna, and you see how rough it is. So we're just gonna do one section. So what you do is you get your clay bar, open it up like so, like a nice little palm width, and you want to spray it, and you can just spray down the area that you're doing. And then you just, you know, work the clay bar. Like so. And you'll see the oxidation, or it's pulling up dirt out of the paint or the clear coat. And I just wiped this with the napkin, as y'all see. So I'm gonna flip the side and do some more scrubbing. Yeah, it takes work to do your car, especially this car is hella dirty. That's why I thought it would be a great video to show you guys. Other cars won't be so bad. And you see it, the other side, I'm still pulling out oxidation. So what you want to do to clean it is you basically just ball this up, kind of scrunch it up, and then kind of open up, and it forms like a new fresh piece that you can use. It's kind of crazy how this stuff works. And y'all say what's up to K Nizzle. What's up, K9? Oh, buddy. So you see I got a fresh new piece. And let's just work this a little bit. I'm trying to basically wipe this until the clay bar comes out clean. See, that's not as dirty as the first one. Let's flip sides. So you guys see me work this area right here. So basically, when you're done, you take your towel and just wipe it dry, and that's it. Now, after you clay bar your whole car, the clear coat is clean, then you can go back and wax your car, go get a wax job, and the wax will adhere a lot better to the clear coat because it's nice and clean. All right, so now this area is done. Now let's see the results. See if y'all can hear that. You can barely hear anything. Versus, let's go to the back of the car. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Now let's go back to this spot. big difference, super big difference. Now, so basically, as you do your car, you do it off the feel of your hands, because your hands can feel all the grittiness versus not so gritty. So this is smooth, so I can tell exactly where I left off. If I go up here, super rough, super smooth. So thanks for checking it out. And that's how you clay bar your car. Definitely worth it, $20 kit. And stay tuned, got a whole lot of extra stuff. If you guys want me to do any kind of videos, just let me know. Subscribe, comment, and I do a bunch of other different stuff, mostly car stuff, mountain bike, guns, you know, the average American stuff. So YouTube, peace, 86.